Hello everyone, welcome to, what is today, Saturday. We just finished streaming with you guys. So usually this vlog would start on Friday, but we got a little mixed up last week. So this vlog is starting on Saturday, but we just finished streaming with you guys and we started to part out this set right here. This is the White House set. Pretty awesome set, in my opinion. I actually built this set probably back in like June probably June of last year. Maybe July. It might have been July actually. But we're going to finish, or I will finish. Paul went inside, going to bed now, I guess, or whatever he's done. But I'm going to finish parting this set out here and then get this uploaded tonight. And this should add, I think it adds 81 lots to our store, which will be awesome. But yeah, I'm going to finish that up tonight. I probably won't come in tomorrow at all. On Sunday, probably won't end up doing anything in here, but I'm going to do this tonight for sure, upload this, and we'll see if I get anything else done today. Probably will not, but yeah, no, I probably won't. But I'm going to go through this set here, upload this, get this all ready in the inventory.
Hello everyone, it is Monday, starting off this brand new vlog. I've got some Harry Potter sets back here that I'm going to be parting out, and Kyle's going to be coming in to pack orders today, and hopefully we're going to get a lot done. We were a bit slow last week in terms of adding as many parts as we wanted, because we really want to hit that 5,500 goal, not 550 lot goal. So I'm going to try and do both this Harry Potter set, and we have an Avengers set off in our area, so I'm going to try and do both of those today and hopefully add a lot of lots to the store. So I will catch up with you once I start those. Alright, so I just finished parting out number 4 Privet Drive, the Harry Potter set. I don't know what number, but we are kind of shocked by the amount of lots. I had thought that it was only a 400-piece set, but it's actually an 800-piece set, so I guess it makes a bit more sense. But there's still like 200-something lots, which is still pretty impressive. So I'm going to go ahead and upload all these. It's going to add 83 lots to our store, and then after that, I'm going to get started on these Avengers sets down here. So I'll catch up with you all once I've gotten there.
Alright, I'm in the store now. Paul is finishing up. He's it's almost all back where the lots kind of go and stuff. So that'll be updated and we'll have like another 80-something lots. I'm going to continue working on, wow, I'm not even in the shot, on these bags here. So we have a few more of these left. These are the bags from the Legoland bulk. So my goal is hopefully to get these done today. I'm not entirely sure if that's going to happen because we're running out of drawers, so we have to sticker more drawers, but unfortunately I also have to print out more labels for drawers. Since we recently moved, the printer that I was using was not set up, so I would have to set up the printer. It's a long process to print out some more labels, but I'll be printing out more labels for drawers, and then we will hopefully, my plan today hopefully is to go through the inventory and any drawers that should be, have a divider or something in it. We're going to double check that and get that hopefully done today so that we don't have, as many drawers that are wasting space on the wall because we're running out of drawers. So we do have more Acromills. That's actually, a lot of you guys asked what was in this box. I never actually opened it, but this is the big box. It has 6 units of Acromills drawers in there. And in addition to that, I believe there's actually more coming today. So we should have 4, maybe only 4 or 6 more coming today, and then another one coming tomorrow. So we're having more on the way. We're getting ready to stock up for this side of the wall. And then past that, we're discussing another possible rehaul, or not rehaul, I don't know, reorganization of the store. So obviously we did all the drywall and stuff recently, and that's obviously going to stay, but we'll see if this wall stays here or if we add more aisles or what exactly we do in the future. But for now, I'm going to continue working on the bags, and then Paul's going to do that. He's also going to part out the Avengers set after that. Yeah.
Okay, so I just finished parting out the Harry Potter set. It ended up being quite a bit bigger than I expected, but now I'm getting ready to start on this Avengers set here. Hopefully I'll have enough drawers. If not, I'm going to have to number some more, because we've got some that need to be numbered. But we are just running out of drawers in general, so we'll see. But I'm going to try and get through these, and maybe after that I will help Evan, depending on whether or not he has finished getting those Legoland bulk done. But yep.
Okay, welcome to Tuesday. It is Tuesday around noon. Paul was in here, or has been here for the past, couple hours maybe. And he's been continuing to sort through these Legoland bulk bags. So this is kind of what we've been doing. You can see we got a few categories over here that were worked on today. I don't know if he shot a vlog last night, but you can see at the end of yesterday we were at 4,474 lots, which is fantastic. We're getting up there. Still over 1,000 lots to go in this month, which is quite a few. But also you can see this shelf is pretty much empty now, which is exciting. There's one Ninjago set back there, which we'll do pretty soon, and then this 12-in-1, which hopefully we'll do hopefully tomorrow. That'll get done. But the goal today is to finish up this and add this to the inventory, and that should add a few lots to our store, as well as a lot of pieces, like tons of pieces to our store, which is pretty exciting. But we're almost done with this. This is our goal for today, to finish this all up, which I think, considering the pace we're working at, is probably going to happen. All right, here we are at the end of, what is today, Tuesday. Unfortunately, this video that was supposed to come out tomorrow on Wednesday isn't going to make it out. We didn't, Paul went to bed early, I guess, or left earlier, and I didn't get a chance to finish uploading and stuff. I had some other things I had to finish up, but you can see we made a good amount of progress. You guys will have seen all this already, I guess, in the video that came out on, well, I guess what will be yesterday when this video comes out. But lots of, like, we made a good dent here and stuff. I think we have another 14 categories to go. So tomorrow I'm going to finish uploading all those, and then I'm going to, I don't know. We've added thousands of pieces so far already, and I'm sure we have another probably at least 15,000 parts. Oh, maybe more than that. Maybe 20. I don't know. There's a lot of pieces here, so I'm really excited to see. I haven't even seen the total yet, but if you haven't seen this video on these pieces, I'll put a little card in the top right if I remember, linking to that video, so you guys can check that one out if you haven't seen it. But lots and lots and lots of pieces in this Legoland video here. Pretty fun. But that's going to be it for Tuesday. Tomorrow we'll come in. Paul's going to pack orders tomorrow. I think it's his day. And then I will continue on this set here, nice and slowly, adding every single part to our inventory. Okay, welcome to Wednesday. I don't think I've done a vlog today. If I did, I apologize. But welcome to Wednesday. We're finishing up all of this stuff here. Finishing up all of this stuff here. These are, like I said, the things which you guys will have already seen in yesterday's video, but we only have a few more left to go. It's not even 6 p.m. yet, so it's going to be a nice, easy, early night. We are adding a ton of lots. I'm really excited.
I'm about to hit upload.
Yeah, we're doing it in categories. So Paul's going to upload another category.
39 new lots in this
39
one.
new lots in that one, which is great. So yeah, it's a good day. We also are freeing up, as you can see, hundreds of drawers, which is fantastic, because we were out of drawers because we were stupid and stored these in the drawers. But yeah, this is going to be our Wednesday, or the rest of our Wednesday, so it's going to be good. Alrighty, everyone, we are all done uploading the bulk Lego. I just finished filming a little segment, which you guys will probably have seen, that came out in yesterday's video. But look at all these drawers that we have. We have a lot of drawers. So what I'm going to do is put these kind of back up top there, where they go behind or above our drawers, or drawer units, I guess. Now, another thing I want to mention, well, first of all, look at all the counter space we have now. This is amazing. This is why we had a counter, so we could put stuff, well, I guess we did use it. We used it for storage. I don't know. Anyway, we have a counter space now, which is nice. But in addition to that, I want to show you something. Well, first of all, I guess I'll show you this. These are pieces that for some reason don't have images on BrickLink. So, like, these apparently just don't have, there's just no picture for them. So those are pieces I have to take pictures of. I want to show you our lot count at the end here. But another thing is, a lot of these drawers, I ended up just doing this, which wasn't really ideal. For example, this one can definitely use a divider in there. So can that one, so can that one, so can that one, so can that one. So you can see they're kind of just sitting here. We could definitely use a divider, you know, in those drawers, so that we're not essentially wasting that whole drawer. But we're out of dividers, but we should have more coming in the next couple days. So once those come, I'm going to go through the entire inventory, pull out each drawer, and any drawer that can have house 2 or more lots in it, I'm going to start to combine. Which will be a big task, but it should allow us a lot more drawer space, or give us a lot more drawers to use. Another thing, I never opened this box, and I think I filmed it in this vlog. I can't quite remember now. But we got another box and 2 more boxes. It's more Acro Mills. So we're talking about additional expansion and what we do when we run out of drawer space, since we are pretty much out of drawer space inside there. Obviously, we got a good amount of drawers here, but I feel like once we hit around 5,500, maybe 6,000 lots, we're probably going to be out of space in terms of what is in this aisle. And a decent amount of our drawers, like let's see if this one, yeah, so this one's pretty full actually. That one kind of full, kind of not full though. That one's pretty full. That one's relatively full, sort of full. So like at the end of the day, most of our drawers are pretty full. So even if we put multiple, like let's say 4 lots in drawers, it's not going to give us a ton more space because a lot of these drawers just won't allow us to do 4 lots in them. Like this one maybe could, or do 3 lots or something, but some of these would be a little bit harder to put stuff in. So I don't remember where I was going with this. I think I was talking about expansion and what our plan is. We obviously have this side of the wall here, which will allow us 20 more Acromills units, which will be pretty nice. But after that, that's where we'll begin to run into problems. Obviously, we have a lot of space in here. Lots of room for expansion, so we're going to talk about in the next, I don't know, month or a couple months probably, by the time it'll actually get done, we'll talk about what our plans are for expansion and readjustment of all the drawers and stuff in the store, because we need more room. But yeah, that's it for the day, I guess. I want to show you this real quick at the end of today, which is Thursday. February what? What is today? February, hold on. February, my watch. February 10th. We are at 208,405 items in 4,792 lots, which is awesome. We technically have 4,700 or 4,800 lots exactly. 8 of them right now are in a stock room. 4 of them need the pictures, and then another 8 I have to double check the quantity in a different drawer. So this is what we're at, though. A good amount of parts. We're getting towards our 5,500 piece goal. This bulk helped a ton, and this orange juice has been here for like 2 days, and I need to take it away. Anyway, I'm gonna go edit the video and stuff tonight. But thank you guys so much for wait. There's one more day of this vlog. Just kidding. There's one more day. It's Thursday, or tomorrow's Thursday. So never mind. Thanks for watching, but there will be more.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Thursday. I am currently parting out this Ninjago set here, and hopefully we're going to add a lot more lots than, well, we're definitely not going to add a lot more lots than yesterday, but hopefully we're going to continue adding more lots so we can reach our goal of 550,000 pieces. We have a ton of drawers too, if you can see back there if I just back up. Those were all freed up yesterday from doing all of the bulk new, and over here, well, I guess I'll just turn the camera around. Over here, we finally have a mostly clear counter, which is unheard of. But yeah, so I'm just going to try and do this. I have a dentist appointment today, so I don't think I'm going to be in the store too long because I have some stuff to do after that as well. I got to get started on the gunship, which is what it looks like I'm going to be building. Hopefully this Saturday on stream, we'll see. Yeah, so I'll see you when I'm done.
Okay, Paul is almost done parting out this set. Lots of individual lots here. This is going to add like 125 lots to our store, which is pretty awesome. I am packing orders today, and then I have to motivate myself to film an order packing on camera video. I said I was going to do it today, so I have to do it now. I guess I don't have to, but I'm going to. And get those out of the way. I think we have 10 orders to pack on camera, which is quite a few. But I've been packing orders for an hour or so. We've got like 5 orders packed and stuff. And now I'm going to pack the other 10-ish that we have that need to be packed on camera. And that video will come out in a couple weeks.
Alrighty, so I am almost done with the Ninjago set. I have my last few pieces here, which we're going to put in. And, well, this set got a little bit out of hand. As you can see, I was kind of expecting it to take up about the table. But we went through all of the drawers that we had managed to unlock from the grip of the new bulk, and they're all out. I had to use some of these little Tupperware things in order to fill them up. Yeah, it's just crazy. But this is going to add 100 and something lots to our store. I think 140, which is just absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and get started uploading it now, and hopefully Evan's going to be able to help me once he's finished packing orders.
And here we are. It is the end of Thursday night, or Thursday late evening, I guess. Pretty much what happened today was Paul parted out this set. It's mostly still sitting here. These need to go back on the wall. Those are things we already had in the inventory. Now, unfortunately, we had a mishap as he was uploading pieces. I don't know exactly what he's doing. He's going to fix it in the morning. He made it so tonight, if anyone places an order, it won't mess anything up. But essentially what happened was pieces that were part of that we already had ended up going on the wall in a drawer where we thought we assigned a remark to that drawer or something like that, and pieces that we didn't yet have were put in a pile. So essentially what we usually do is all the drawers are, we pull them out halfway. Well, for this one, we changed it up a little bit. They were all pulled out halfway when we started, and then we uploaded the parts before we consolidated, and we saved the sheet, just so we uploaded the parts and had them in our inventory. Unfortunately, after that, once they were uploaded, we went and pushed all the drawers in. So after Paul pushed all the drawers in, we then no longer knew what parts we put on the wall. And unfortunately now, for just the dark bluish gray, it got mixed up what was being put where. The dark bluish gray colors are opposite. So these are actually all brand new, I think. And I think these have to go on the wall, which is totally easy. And then the hard part now will actually be going through the wall and finding the dark bluish gray in here. That, for example, there was like one drawer over here. I don't know if it was this one. It was this one, I think. Actually, I'll leave that out for Paul in the morning. This one, for example, we already had in our inventory. We have to go find the drawer that these actually belong in and put them in that drawer and consolidate it like that. So hopefully that kind of made sense what the problem was, but that's going to be a problem to fix tomorrow morning. Paul fixed the inventory count, so if anyone orders anything right now, it's not going to mess anything up, and we should be totally fine. But then what he's going to go do is painstakingly go through and find all the dark bluish gray. Now, fortunately, all the dark bluish gray that went on the wall, that technically shouldn't have gone on the wall, are in their own drawer. So obviously this one should be in its own drawer, but for example, this one should not be in its own drawer, but we ran out of dividers. So temporarily we were putting it on the wall, and then we're going to go through and consolidate later. Fortunately, that'll make it easier for Paul. If he pulls open any drawer and it has dark bluish gray like this and another part, this is not was not part of that set, so he can just bypass that one, go to the next one, and continue going through. Like, that's such a waste of a drawer, but those are going to get fixed in the next few days. Now, sorry to, I don't know, feel like I'm just talking, but I want to update you guys on our lot count for the evening, or for the week. But first of all, look at this. It is nice and clear here. It's awesome to have a countertop back, have this awesome surge protector power strip in the back here that we haven't seen in like months. But here is our lot count and our total count, or item count for the end of the week. 208,960 different pieces, or individual pieces in 4,911 lots there, which is awesome. I think this past week we've added upwards of 600 lots, almost 600 lots, which in a week I think is really good. I might be a little off on that. It might have been more like 500, not quite 600, but something like that is pretty good. Like I said, we have a goal of 5,500 by the end of February. Now, considering we're at 4,911 and we just added at least 500 lots this week, we're definitely, at the pace we're going to make it. So final thing we have to do down here on this shelf is just this 12-in-1 set here. This is the last thing to part out before the shelf is technically clear. We do have Diagon Alley down here, and we have this Wonder Woman set. I want to shoot that set. We'll see if that ends up happening, or if we just part it out, but Diagon Alley will be a big one, obviously, and then this one won't be too bad. This adds like, I think 23 lots to our inventory or something. Today, Paul added 120 something, or 140 or something like that. I don't know, somewhere in there. And then, obviously, we're going to get to starting these sets over here, which came in the boxes, as well as this hidden side set that we got not super long ago. But, yeah, that is pretty much it, I think, for this week. Being that... I don't know. It's Thursday night and I have to upload this video. I don't know where I was going with that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this vlog. This is week number 6, maybe? I don't know. But yeah, I won't be in here tomorrow probably. I know Paul will be in here in the morning fixing the problem, and then it's Kyle's day, so he'll be in here packing orders for sure. And then if there's not too many orders, he'll probably start parting out that 12-in-1 set over there. I don't know if he'll film the vlog. He's not a huge fan of being on camera. That's why you don't see him a ton. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys again for watching. We will see you all in the next video.